This is the root mean square velocity interactive calculator, which determines molecular velocities and kinetic properties of gases at different conditions. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can calculate RMS velocity, calculate temperature, calculate molar mass, calculate average kinetic energy, calculate speed of sound for ideal gas, or calculate mean free path. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate RMS Velocity. For this mode, enter temperature in Kelvin. I'm using 298.15. Then input molar mass in grams per mole. I'm entering 28.014, which represents nitrogen gas. After clicking Calculate, here's what we get. The RMS velocity VRMS equals 515.22 meters per second. This is the root mean square speed of gas molecules. The average velocity, VAV, is 474.68 meters per second, representing the arithmetic mean speed. The most probable velocity, VP, is 420.68 meters per second, the speed at which you'll find the most molecules. Finally, the average kinetic energy per mole is 3.718 kilojoules per mole, showing the thermal energy content. These values help engineers design pressure vessels, analyze gas flows, and understand molecular behavior in various applications. Find the link in the description below.